Some Organomation models include a control box, which provides you with digital controls. This video will explain how to operate these controls for optimal gas and heat management. First, we'll cover how to adjust the unit set temperature by using the digital temperature controller on the top right. Press and hold the start button and use the arrow keys to change the set temperature. Once your desired temperature is displayed, release the start button. The screen will return to the current temperature of the bath. To see the set temp, simply hold the start button again. Moving on to the operation of the gas and heat switches. If you would like to operate the gas and heat manually, simply depress the corresponding switch to the lower manual position. An amber light will glow on each switch, indicating that it's active. The gas and heat will run continuously until you return the switches to the middle off position, at which point the amber lights will turn off. You can also operate the gas and heat automatically with a couple different modes. The first mode is called on delay. On delay allows the heat to automatically turn on at the end of a set timer. This is most often used to preheat the bath in the morning prior to use. To set up this operation, press and hold the mode button until the menu screen appears. Use the arrows until you find the program that says OND.1. Hit the mode button once to select it. Then, select time range and use the arrow buttons to determine your desired range using hours, minutes, and seconds. Press and hold mode to return to the main screen. Use the arrow buttons to set the desired time. Say, for example, we want the bath to start heating up in 12 hours and 30 minutes. Hit mode once to confirm. You can then set the heat switch to the timed operation and keep the gas switch in the middle off position. Press the start switch to begin the timed countdown. At the end of the countdown, your heat will turn on as indicated by the amber light. The second mode available is called off delay, which allows the gas and heat to automatically turn off after a specified amount of time, mostly used for unattended evaporation cycles. To set up this operation, press and hold the mode button to get to the menu screen again. Use the arrows until you find the program that says OFD. Hit the mode button once to select it. Again, select your desired time range using the arrow keys. Press and hold mode to return to the main screen. Use the arrow buttons to set the desired time. Say, for example, we would like our samples to evaporate for 25 minutes. Hit mode once to confirm. You can then set the gas and heat switches to the timed operation and press the start switch to begin the timed countdown. At the end of the countdown, the gas and heat will turn off as indicated by the amber light. Now that you know how to operate your digital controls, you'll be able to maximize your lab's productivity and efficiency. If you have any questions or need further assistance with operating your control box, please email our team at sales@organomation.com.